As energy costs continue to rise and environmental concerns grow, many Fort Worth homeowners are looking for ways to make their homes more energy efficient. One of the most impactful upgrades they're making is replacing traditional windows with energy-efficient alternatives. Not only does this choice benefit the environment, but it also offers immediate advantages in terms of comfort, cost savings, and home value. In this article, we explore why Fort Worth homeowners are turning to professional window installation services to upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Cutting energy costs. In Fort Worth, where summers can be blistering hot and winters can dip into chilly temperatures, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment requires a lot of energy. Traditional windows, especially older models, can be significant energy drains. Gaps, cracks, and poor insulation allow hot or cold air to escape, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work overtime. This results in higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize this heat transfer. Features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills like argon help keep indoor temperatures stable by reflecting heat back inside during the winter and blocking it out during the summer. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Fort Worth homeowners can expect a reduction in their energy consumption, leading to lower heating and cooling costs over time. Enhanced home comfort. Anyone who has lived through a Texas summer knows how uncomfortable it can be to deal with the intense heat radiating through your windows. Energy-efficient windows help regulate the temperature inside the home, eliminating hot spots and drafts that can make certain areas of your house unbearable. Whether it's a living room exposed to the afternoon sun or a bedroom near a drafty window, energy-efficient windows provide consistent comfort throughout the home. Moreover, these windows can help reduce external noise, which is especially beneficial for homeowners living near busy streets, airports, or other noisy environments. The insulation properties of energy-efficient windows help keep unwanted sounds from entering, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor space. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to increase your home's resale value. Many potential buyers in Fort Worth, and across the country, are looking for homes that offer modern amenities with lower energy costs. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can expect to recoup about 70% to 80% of the cost of new energy-efficient windows when they sell their homes. In addition to financial savings, energy-efficient windows improve the aesthetics of your home, which is a major selling point. Modern window styles and designs not only enhance curb appeal but also allow more natural light into your space, making the interiors feel brighter and more open. Environmental benefits. With the growing emphasis on sustainability, many homeowners in Fort Worth are choosing energy-efficient windows as part of a broader effort to reduce their environmental footprint. Windows are a major contributor to a home's energy use, and by upgrading, homeowners can significantly lower their carbon emissions. By investing in energy-efficient windows, Fort Worth residents are doing their part to conserve energy resources and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. For those who are passionate about protecting the planet, This upgrade is a simple yet impactful way to make a difference. Expert installation by professionals. While the benefits of energy-efficient windows are clear, the installation process is crucial to ensuring that the investment pays off. Homeowners who attempt to install windows themselves often experience issues like air leaks, improper sealing, or poor insulation, which can undermine the performance of the windows. Hiring professional installers guarantees that your energy-efficient windows are properly fitted and sealed. Expert installers also ensure that your windows are chosen based on the specific needs of your home, considering factors such as climate, home orientation, and budget. Plus, working with a trusted professional means that you have access to warranties, ensuring peace of mind and long-term durability. Financial incentives and rebates. Fort Worth homeowners may also be eligible for tax credits, rebates, or incentives for installing energy-efficient windows. Many manufacturers and local utility companies offer promotions to help reduce the upfront costs of upgrading your home. These incentives make the switch to energy-efficient windows even more appealing, allowing homeowners to enjoy both short and long-term savings. Conclusion. For homeowners in Fort Worth, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers a multitude of benefits, from lowering energy bills and improving comfort to enhancing home value and reducing environmental impact. With professional installation, the investment becomes even more worthwhile, ensuring the windows perform at their best and continue to deliver savings for years to come. If you're looking to make a smart upgrade that pays off both financially and environmentally, energy-efficient windows are an excellent choice, and working with a pro will ensure you get the most out of your investment.